Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. As predicted, or as obvious as the script is, or as we expected, Unka fell short on the game, right? Remember, Unka used the Ukbechang Tavern, and we all know Uguti is not his tavern, but we also know that for some reason it's going to be difficult for the Sokulu family to fight for their tavern now that Unka has gambled with it. Like, I don't know the storyline, but nonetheless, Unka gambled with the tavern. With that said, ubalekile uGuy waya ekhaya wathi nje wonke umuntu ongifunayo akaze ningibone, I'm out of the province, nje into ethi nkanyiso aniyazi. Will they keep to that? Will they protect him? Will they hide him? We are yet to find out. Ifuneral phala iyaqhubeka even though it traumatize uSolomzi, right? Ask how uSolomzi asa accepta i-merchandise kwafika ibhokisi lomntwana. And those coffins for children are the same, musne. So it triggered him, shem yamtriggera ngempela. But umam Rebecca ke wafika wazosave i-situation ngokuthi hey guys unimeleni ngenani and stuff. How will he deal with the whole thing? Hayi nangiyazibuza, but ke yena eventually he has to accept ukuthi the baby is no more and the business needs to continue. Ugel lo omusha unisi kanka nephew kanka whatever adjective is correct for that is playing nje any game esingayi-understand because now usweetie usupporter umama lona like not umama, excuse me, ishuga mama Velaphi. And she keeps on saying compliments. I never had a sister. You remind me of a sister that I never had. It was always me and Gogo. Hey, what? How do you remind me of a sister that I never had? Mara Velaphi can see ukuthi something is happening. Uyambuza ukuthi when what are you up to? Khambani. Hayi akakwazi ukusho ukuthi khambani kahle kahle. Reza then triggered uNomsa athi people are gonna die in your family what, and remember ukuthi ngokhaya benisokola izinto ezinjalo nje, and wakhala ke kakhulu wabona kahle ukuthi akagijima ayotshela uChuma kanti uNolitha ukhona lapho. uNolitha ngapha unikwe ultimatum yokuthi if you want this marriage to work, the only thing that you have to give me on a silver platter is ensure that you unalive uRebecca. So guy ugirl did go to Reza athi uyenza imission, hayi kuntense kushushu kungenye indlela imission ngathi ayimissionareki ngathi kunzima nje ukuphesiwa imission, but ugirl ungenile wathi phakathi inside